Baby, let's get into this good old rap. Like, let's get ready for tonight. Cause baby, who waits? It's the body yaddy yaddy yaddy.
What it do, baby boos? So before we get started, I'm Susie to all my new subscribers. I'm looking rough, but don't mind because your girl finna dye her hair. But we gonna get straight into it. But before we get into it, I just want to tell y'all this really quick. So I've been setting goals. I'm so excited. But from the beginning of this year, I had wrote down some monthly goals to accomplish, you know, during the month. And I already accomplished most of my goals already. Writing them down, y'all, hits different. That's all I wanted to say. But let's get into the video. Write y'all goals down so y'all can accomplish them though. But let's go. Come on, let's go. What you waiting on? And make sure y'all hit that subscribe button too, poo.
Do women still like flowers? Or do I gotta get a...
Give me an A, babe. Give me an A. Flowers gonna die. I'm gonna get high.
Okay, y'all, so I am going to be using Adore Jet Black because my hair is like a brown and I hate it. It's not a dye, it's like semi-permanent, so it's gonna last for like a good minute. And then we gonna use this. No bleach, sis. So let's get into it, okay? Okay, sis. So we got the conditioner, we have the cream developer. I think that's, I forgot the name of that, but I'm gonna show y'all later on. And we have the powder to pour in there and mix everything up together. And oh yeah, also we got the gloves. And go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So before, I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair and section off which color gonna go where. While I do so, y'all, I just want to take the time out to thank each and every last one of y'all. We on the road to 5K. Y'all, I've been getting so much accomplished. I'm so proud of myself. I've been getting people asking for custom orders. My views going up. My TikTok and my social medias are growing. Y'all, this is my year, and I just want to thank y'all so much for supporting me through it all. But right now we parting our hair. Parting is not that hard for me. I be using a mirror and whatnot, but this is what we got. And okay, sis, the part is not straight, but it definitely will do. So next, braiding the hair. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our Adore Jet Black on the hair. Y'all, I really love this Adore brand. It's the only brand that I usually use, especially because it's semi-permanent. It don't damage your hair. But yeah, and I definitely should have combed my hair out before I did this, but whatever. So y'all, I bought me a bag of shower caps. It came with about 1,000 of them. Not really, but I'm never gonna run out. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna wait 15 minutes for this. And y'all, I ain't never did this before, but it's funny because I'm gonna have to be real careful because of course y'all already know this part is gonna be dyed blonde. So I'm finna try to go ahead and after the 15 minutes I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I'm not gonna take y'all with me, but when you do wash it out, make sure y'all be careful. But I'm sure if anybody else tries this, they not gonna be doing this part up here because I'm just being extra because I like my hair black. I love black hair, y'all. Like, And y'all, I have a quick story while we wait for this 15 minutes. So, I dyed my hair before in high school. It was so freaking cute. I wish I could find a picture. Hopefully I can, but I probably won't be able to. Excuse me, but I had that the whole, like, it was half and half, like, but the whole back was dyed, and it was like a peanut butter and jelly color, like it was like blonde. It had a little purple, it had a little fuchsia in there. Don't ask me how I got the color, but because I can't remember. But I waited, I feel like I waited long enough. I think it was like 3 months after the fact that I dyed it. And y'all, why when I permed my hair, yes, permed, I thought I was gonna be good, but y'all, I was not. So I ain't gotta worry about that no more, because I don't get perms no more. But y'all, I permed my hair, and I literally, the back of my hair, I literally had a fro. My hair was about that long, and it was so crazy because it was my senior year, and it was graduation. And y'all, it was these bitches, they was laughing, thought it was funny, but my hair was still longer than theirs. It just looked like I had like a little one of those bobs like this. But it was like them bitches was laughing like shit was funny. Like when I was in high school, y'all, people ain't like me for no reason, like crazy. But yeah, they laughing and stuff, but guess what, my hair still was longer than theirs, and still longer than theirs now. Like, the fuck with they ugly ass. But y'all, yeah, we're gonna wait till that little time is up. While we waiting, y'all, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Your girl been snapping. And y'all, if y'all interested in taking y'all own photos, I do have a video up on that. Make sure y'all check it out. And check out my LV jacket. I got inspired by Money Bag. Yo, y'all, I'm coming hard this year, so make sure y'all stay tuned and y'all be ready. And it's not too late to join the family, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button again. But yeah, I'll be back. Yo, I was so hungry. Look at my hand. Those noodles was just so good. Comment down below if y'all eat noodles. Comment down below and let me know what y'all put in y'all noodles today. I had ended up, because I was trying to make it quick, but I put seasoning salt, garlic powder, hot sauce, American cheese, and some slap your mama sauce. Ooh, so good. I usually put onion powder, but I don't know why I didn't. I think I was, oh, excuse me, too much in a rush. But y'all, they were so good. I ate them so fast. But it's 15 minutes. So it's time for me to go ahead and wash this out. Like I said, I'm not going to take y'all with me. But I did get this new shower head. Let me show y'all. From Walmart. And it got the little connector to it, so that's probably gonna be able to help me keep this black off of the back of my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so it's all washed out, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the blonde. Pray for me, y'all. I really don't think this was a good idea by doing both of these colors at the same time. But it's all good though. Whatever happens, happens.
Y'all, this is not funny, but please be careful with this stuff because it's super strong. Y'all, I always like to smell stuff, but this powder shit almost took me out. I was sneezing, I was coughing. Y'all should see my face. Well, y'all gonna see my face. It's just like, be careful with this and wear a mask if y'all need. So sis, make sure y'all shake it up really good to get it all mixed up. Shake, shake, shake. the video is fast forwarded right here, and it don't look like I shook it up a lot, but I did, y'all. I mixed it up really good. But right now I am just applying it to the hair in no particular way. But clearly the longer you leave it on, the roots are going to be lighter than the ends, and I mean, that's okay. You can leave it on, I think the pack said no longer than 60 minutes, and I don't want to take no chances, so I'm gonna take it out then.
So y'all, it's starting to change a little. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can tell the mirror is starting to turn brown. I hope it comes out the color that I want. I'm gonna apply the rest of the bottle, and then I'm gonna let it sit for I think about 60 minutes, and then I'll be back with y'all, okay? Ooh, so y'all, this is how it came out. I am trying to hurry up and wash it out because I feel like I had it in a little bit too long. I did set a timer, but I was recording another video at the same time. But this is it. It's wet, a little on this side. And then I'm gonna use some Shimmer Light shampoo for blonde hair. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. I actually wish, no, I ain't even gonna say wish, but y'all, I'm finna dye my whole hair like this because this is cute. No, I'm lying. I wish it all would have came out this color, but I feel like it was on there a little bit too long, so I had to take it out. But I actually like it. I'm gonna go ahead and probably just condition it, and you know, then I'll be back. So y'all, I don't think that I should have put the black on here. I probably should have waited like another day or so, but I feel like once I put the black on top of here, it might dye my blonde, but I don't know. But probably not, hopefully not, but if it do, it is what it is. But yes y'all, this is the final and finishing look. I hope y'all like it. Let me know if y'all try it. If y'all do, make sure y'all send me a DM or send it to me on my IG so I can see. But yeah, this is it. Peekaboo. I can't wait to see like it's styled and you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, to show y'all the black. But this is the black. It came out black like I wanted it. So yeah, my work here is done. I'm gonna show y'all it's styled and all that, but I'm sure that's probably gonna be another day. But until then, I'll see you guys. Bye.